It's all inside your head. You really cannot catch them
or find their whereabouts.
But if you meet a fixie, please don't let their secret out. But if you meet a fixie, please don't let their secret out.
But if you meet a fixie, please
Don't let their secret out.
The alarm clock.
Ha! It didn't ring again. Nolik, let's go fix the alarm clock. Simka, wake Tom Thomas up.
Tom Thomas, get up! Tom Thomas! Hey, you'll be late for school. Tom Thomas, get up already! This is really something. And where's the battery in here?
No, this is an old mechanical alarm clock. It doesn't work with a battery. It uses a spring.
How's that work?
People wind up the spring tightly, and then as it slowly unwinds, it turns the gears which turn the hands of the clock.
Shoo!
Oh,
What?
the alarm clock broke. Let's hurry and get you washed up.
Tom Thomas, are you just getting up?
Dad, the alarm clock didn't go off. It's broken.
Here's the problem. It won't turn, because the feather's stuck in the gears. Nolik, help me.
What's going on?
It looks like it's an earthquake.
Huh, it really is broken. About time to throw out this old piece of junk. Tom Thomas, I'm off to work. Don't be late for school.
I won't.
Where are we?
In the trash can.
And what's gonna happen to us?
Well, you see, Nolik. People throw out broken things without a second thought. Even appliances that can still be fixed end up in the trash all the time. And the trash is taken to a horrible, deadly place called the dump. If a fixie happens to be inside a broken appliance, he will come face to face with great danger. Once, my uncle got thrown into the dump buried inside an old TV. He barely managed to jump out of the bulldozer's path, and it was a miracle he didn't end up in the incinerator. After that, he just roamed around the huge dump, trying to fix anything. He became totally crazed. Whew. Good thing the Fixie Rescue Squad managed to find him and bring him back home. I don't want to scare you, but we might be taken to the dump, my boy.
Papa's, I'm scared. Huh. Where's the alarm clock?
Maybe my dad took it to get fixed.
But Nolik and Papa's are in there.
Now just a little bit further. Ah!
I don't want to go to the dump.
No tears. There's only one way out of here. We need to fix the clock and make it ring.
But how?
Inside the clock, there is the main spring, and there's also a second spring. The second spring is held still by a brake, and so it waits. When the little hand reaches the time the alarm was set to go off, the spring jumps off the brake and the gears are free to start turning. That makes a little hammer beat the cup of the bell very, very quickly. And that's how an alarm clock rings.
So this feather is stopping the gears and not letting the hammer strike the bell.
Exactly. I'll start rocking the gear back and forth and you tug it. And 1, and 2, and 3.
Tidish!
Simka, I think I can hear my alarm ringing.
Run to the sound! Quickly!
Someone turn the alarm off.
Whoa! And here comes that earthquake again! Nolik! I'm here! Nolik, we fixed the alarm clock! Yeah, so what was wrong with it? A feather got jammed in the gears. And how could a feather get in a clock?
Oh, it's probably for when I put the alarm clock under my pillow, so it wouldn't wake me up.
Huh, so you mean because somebody doesn't like to get up in the morning, we almost ended up at the dump? By the way, if that somebody doesn't hurry off to his school soon, he'll be late.
Oh, you're right.
But if you meet a fixie, please don't let their secret out. But if you meet a fixie, please don't let their secret out.